Hey everybody, what's going on? Glad you come back with me on another edition of Just Try It DIY. Hey, I just want to take a quick second here to just do, hey, everybody, thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and everything. So anybody else wants to go ahead and subscribe, help me out. Go ahead, go down there, hit that subscribe button, and hey, give me a thumbs up, give me some critiques. I'm okay with that. I'm just starting out, so I just want to give everybody some encouragement on trying something new, trying something different. Just get out there and just try it, So, hey, tonight, we're going back to the Dodge again. We're going to put on this little tailgate assist on here. Got some little things we've been doing to it here and there, nothing big, but this is my first diesel truck, so I'm learning something with you guys. So, as we're going through things, I'm learning this too. So, but tonight, I had a tailgate assist on my Silverado. I wanted to put one on here. Tailgate's not heavy, but I just don't like that sound. So this right here lets that tailgate come down nice and easy, and we're gonna get started on this. All right, so here we got, it's the DZ43301 for Ram 1500s 09 to current and 2500 to 3500 10 to current. I have a 2013 Dodge, so here we go. We've got our good old handy dandy instructions here, and then we got all the tools and pieces here that we're going to install this with, and we will go through it and get it all put together, and we'll see how it works when we're all done. Alright, so first instructions say we need to have that bolt set so the head of it is exactly 3/4 of an inch away from the top washer. So we got that set up. We also laid down a thin line of blue thread lock supposed to help with that. Then we're going to come down here to this hole that's down here, and we're going to insert that into here. May need to give it a little tap to get it in there. There we go. Then with the we're going to have to find a Allen wrench for that. There we go. Number 5 Allen wrench. And then here's the wrench we're going to use here. So this, in the direction that says you need to turn this 9 times. So we're going to start there. There's a 1/4. The inside, that piece we put in there, is actually going to squash against the front of this and actually make it into a nut. There should be 9. Now it says what you should do is you should be able to try to move this, and it should not move at all. Therefore, if it still moves, give it another 1 or 2 turns. That one's in there tight. So what we can do now is we can now back out, and this piece here we're not going to use now. It's all done. Now we can install the plate that goes down here. This plate will lay over the top. That almost looks like where the hinge piece is here. Lays over the top of that, and then that bolt, the only one bolt that comes with it, then you can put in here. You know what? It'd be a good idea, since we have it, we'll go ahead and put some of this thread lock on here too. There's enough left over. We don't need that stuff coming back out of there anyway. Start tightening it up. I believe this is a 4. So then we can tighten this one up. I don't think they need to be outrageously tight. Alright, we'll go on to the next step. Alright, now in our next step, we need to look at taking off the cable that's here. Again, and press up on that a little bit. Pull this flap out, slide it up and off. That easy. The other cable is going to hold the tailgate up for you, so you can have this one off right now. And then we need to go ahead. The directions do say you can use the wrench that comes with it, but it's just as easy for me to grab a T45. Here's a new top pivot point is there. We'll put that in the top one. Just back through there. You know what? We have the tread locker, might as well put some back on, right? And you know what? I have a tool that I can use this too. There we go. Our top pivot's set in there, our bottom pivot's set in here. So now we just got to do some adjustments. I believe we got to take out this little stopper here, because as this arm comes up, that's where it's going to actually store, is right inside along that little bump stop right there. So we will need to take that one out. We go back to our instructions, and then we can start putting things back together. Go ahead and put this back in. Now we have a, looks like a cable protector that's on here. We do measure down from the top of the cable, here's tape measure, 3.5 inches. They gave a piece of little mylar here, this to help protect the side. I'm guessing for when you do close this up, just so this is not scratching up the truck. So we will get that installed. There's two. So we're going to cut a piece that's going to go here, cut it off like that, and we'll apply that one right there, and then we'll apply the other one on the side of the tail light. Now that we got our little piece of mylar that's there, that's attached, I think we can go ahead and snap these on. That one there. Pull this one down. Get that one snapped on there. There we go. That should be all installed. We'll see if hopefully we don't have any problems with it binding up. No, that's all right. All right, everybody, check it out. We're all done. Here we go. No more slamming the tailgate anymore. We're done with that. All right, hey, that tailgate assist was a DZ43301. Is a part number on that. This was a 2013 Dodge Ram. This is a 3500, works on 2500 and the 1500s. So hey, catches right inside of there. Hey, did not take very long to do this project. Maybe 15-20 minutes. Pretty simple, straightforward. Follow the instructions. They're good. And hey, now you got one of these cool little things here that like some of those new trucks got. So hey, that's kind of cool. Hey, thanks for joining me. Hit subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me 2 thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Later. I do love this. Yeah, Bruce. Ooh.